Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bar in your house. First, let's plan your perfect home bar. Consider a space at least 6 feet by 3 feet for a comfortable setup. Think about whether you want a wet bar with a sink or a dry bar. A well-thought-out plan saves time and money, ensuring your bar fits your lifestyle and home decor beautifully. Now, let's talk about the essential components and materials. For countertops, a durable surface like quartz or a sealed hardwood is ideal, offering both beauty and resilience. You'll need sturdy cabinetry for storing your spirits and glassware. Don't forget a small refrigerator or wine cooler to keep drinks perfectly chilled. High-quality materials ensure your bar lasts for many years. Next, we move to construction and installation. Begin by building a robust frame, perhaps using 2x4 lumber, ensuring it's perfectly level. Install your chosen cabinets and shelves, making sure they are securely fastened. If you're adding a sink, carefully connect the plumbing. Finally, install your countertop, ensuring it's firmly attached and sealed for a professional finish. To complete your home bar, focus on stocking and finishing touches. Fill your bar with a diverse selection of spirits, mixers, and fresh garnishes. Essential tools like a cocktail shaker, jigger, and muddler are a must-have. Add comfortable bar stools and warm lighting to create an inviting atmosphere. Personalize it with unique decor to truly make it your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.